Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Going Balls. If you want to change your username on Going Balls game, then the process is quite easy. To do so, first, open your Going Balls application from your mobile device. Wait until the application loads. Once you end up inside your game, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top left-hand corner. This will open up the settings menu. To change your name, go ahead and tap on the player name option. Now, go ahead and enter a new name for yourself. Tap on Restore Purchases button in orange. This will then save your changes. You can tap on the Continue button and start playing your game. That is how you can easily change your name in Going Balls. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.